rosemary was used for medicinal purposes before being consumed as food. Known for its scent, this herb is added to many recipes in kitchens. The most common use of rosemary is in the form of tea. The tea of this resistance plant is good for almost all metabolic problems when consumed in the right amount and time. What are the benefits of rosemary tea consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of a glass of rosemary tea a day? Rosemary tea is very effective for digestive problems. It stimulates the metabolic in the digestive system and feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut. This probiotic effect maximizes food absorption and removes harmful bacteria and toxins through digestion. It also reduces inflammation that may occur in the digestive system with the plant compounds it contains. In particular, it inhibits the growth of Helicobacter pylori, which causes stomach problems. On the other hand, when used correctly, rosemary tea helps to reduce the amount of bad cholesterol in the body with the components it contains. It is effective in preventing vascular occlusion by regulating the amount of lipid in the blood. With its contributions to the circulatory system, also full of antioxidants, rosemary is quite high in balancing blood sugar. A glass of rosemary tea can meet 15% of the daily phosphorus requirement. This ratio is very important for the preventing of diabetes. It contributes to the breakdown of proteins that cause glucose tolerance. This reduces sugar absorption in the large intestine and prevents blood sugar spikes. With its contribution to both blood sugar and digestive system, it helps to eliminate edema caused by excess sodium in the body. It is effective in the treatment of problems such as the accumulation of toxin wastes in the blood seen in people with thyroid dysfunction. Rosemary tea for a healthier brain structure. Plant acids obtained from rosemary leaves prevent the deterioration of neurons. It improves cognitive functions by protecting cells structure against neurotoxins and free radicals. In addition, the benign vitamins in it are very important for the formation of myelin, the nerve shift that increases the speed and quality of electrical signals and ensures the proper functioning of the nervous system. On the other hand, rosemary tea is very rich in antioxidants that helps boost overall health and prevent damage caused by free radicals. Thanks to its high content of vitamins A and C, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, it strengthens the immune system and creates a strong shield against diseases. The cornerstone substance in its content is protective against cancer. It also has anti-tumor and antibacterial properties. It searches, finds, and neutralizes harmful cancerous cells in the body. So, is there any harm in consuming rosemary tea? How much and when should it be consumed? First of all, because rosemary tea increases blood circulation, high blood pressure patients should be measured and careful when consuming this thing. On the other hand, rosemary, which improves digestive activities, negatively affects digestive activities by showing intense processes in the intestines and stomach when used excessively and unconsciously. In addition, rosemary extract is actively used in drug production and may interact with the active ingredients of drugs. Consult your doctor before using the rosemary herb, especially if you have regular medications. So, how much and when should rosemary tea be consumed? Rosemary should be consumed at most 1 glass per day. It should be taken for a week or two after long procedures during regular consumption periods. In the light of this information, you can add rosemary tea to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, stay well, be informed.